Air is the invisible blanket that surrounds us. It helps us breathe, moves with wind, and carries sounds and fragrances. We may not see it, but air keeps us alive and enables weather, flights, and even the music we hear from speakers. Our air isn't the same everywhere. It is layered: troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, and beyond. Most weather happens in the troposphere, the layer closest to Earth where clouds form. The stratosphere protects us with the ozone layer, which absorbs harmful sun rays. Air is a mixture of gases: nitrogen, oxygen, and tiny amounts of others like argon and carbon dioxide. Air has weight, takes up space, and can push and pull. It can be pressed, blown, or compressed. Air helps us cook with ovens, operate machines, and even power wind turbines that generate electricity. Air pressure is the force of air on everything around us. We feel it when we push against a wall or blow up a balloon. Air is all around us, in layers, and essential for life and energy. What will you observe about air today? Water is life. All plants, animals, and humans need water to live. We use it for drinking, cooking, washing, bathing, many things in our daily life. Did you know about 71% of our Earth's surface is covered with water, but only a small amount of it is fresh water that we can use easily? Out of all the water on Earth, about 97% is in seas or oceans and is salty. Around 2% is locked up as ice or in glaciers. That leaves only about 1% of all water as fresh, usable water in rivers, lakes, and ponds. So fresh, clean water is quite precious. Pure water is colorless, has no taste and no smell. It's called the universal solvent because it can dissolve many things. And guess what? Water is unique. It exists in all three states of matter: solid ice, liquid, water, and gas, water vapor. Because water tends to clump in drops, that's surface tension, it can also move through tiny roots of plants or narrow blood vessels. It even absorbs a lot of heat, which makes it very important for industries and nature. Water may look clean, but sometimes it has impurities, things that make it dirty or unfit for use. There are two kinds: insoluble impurities, like stones, sand, mud, which don't dissolve, and soluble impurities, like salts and minerals, which do dissolve in water, and sometimes there are harmful germs too. How can we clean water from insoluble impurities? First, sedimentation. Let the water stay still so the heavy particles settle down. Then decantation. Gently pour out the clearer water, leaving the sediment behind. Finally, filtration. Pass the water through a filter paper so that particles like sand get left behind. Removing soluble impurities is a bit more complex. One way is evaporation. Heat the water vapor leaves, and the dissolved solid remains. Another way is distillation. We collect the vapor, condense it back to water, and that water is pure, since the impurities were left behind. Since water may contain harmful germs, we must purify it before drinking. Some simple methods: boiling water for about 10 minutes kills many germs. We can also add chlorine tablets, chlorination, or use a home water filter. Drinking clean water helps us stay healthy and prevents waterborne diseases. So remember, water is precious. Clean it, protect it, and use it wisely.